Hey guys, this is a 2010 Kia Soul, and I'm replacing the front center speaker. And there's a couple things I'm gonna show you guys that will hopefully help you out. Hopefully you don't make the mistake I made, and that's a broken grill right there. This grill cover, it has a lot of push pins or push snaps, whatever you want to call them. And Kia's fit and finish is just so tight that it's hard to pry some of their stuff loose to get the speakers and stuff like this. I did use a regular trim tool. I did not use a screwdriver, so I can't tell you where you should start. But I got kind of down in here, pried it up, and this part here snapped right off. Once that part snapped right off, I just reached under here with my fingers and popped this loose. But it was very, very tight. Just like a lot of the other stuff that Kia puts together. It's a very tight finish on their stuff. So once that cover's off, I've already replaced the speaker, but that's what you're going to see is the factory speaker with this mounting here. Well, you got 4 Phillips screws holding this mounting bracket down, and then 4 Phillips screws holding the speaker down. Right here is the factory speaker. Paper cone, very chintzy speaker actually. Some of the other speakers in Kias are not too bad, but this one is really cheap. So the speaker that I bought, actually bought 2, but you only need 1. That's the JBL Club 4020s, and they fit in there exact. There was no modification at all. I think I looked on Crutchfield or something to see what fits, and actually found these on eBay for like 34 bucks. So very cheap. Anyway, once you get this bracket out, you take the old speaker out. On the back of the bracket right here is this little factory harness, and you don't need this at all. The actual wiring that's inside here is actually pretty long. So I just clipped this off of the speaker. I was gonna reuse it, but there's no need to. There's extra wire up here. Once you do cut it, the white wire is the positive and the brown is the negative. So I've already put my terminal ends on there. So all I gotta do is reconnect the speaker and screw this back in, and then probably buy a new speaker grill cover, or I could maybe glue that piece that broke on after the fact. But anyway, I'll be very careful prying that thing up. I can't tell you for sure how to do it. I use the right tools. I'm just thinking maybe I pry it up in the wrong spot. Anyway, for a good cheap speaker, the JBL clubs are really nice. And like I said, eBay is 39 bucks. It sucks that you got to buy 2 speakers and you're only going to use 1. I don't even know, how much that center speaker really does for the total sound, but my plan is to replace all the factory speakers anyway. So hopefully this helped you out, and good luck when you guys are working on your Kia, and hopefully you don't break your speaker grill. Thanks for watching.